Ready for adventure? Dive into the top day trips from Nairobi and explore beautiful landscapes, historic destinations, and outdoor activities. Day 1, Nairobi to Masai Mara. On the first day of your safari adventure, you will be picked up from your hotel, located in the Westland area or within the city center, and begin your journey towards Masai Mara, through the scenic Great Rift Valley. Upon reaching your accommodation site, you'll enjoy a delightful lunch before embarking on a thrilling sunset game viewing expedition within the expansive Masai Mara National Reserve. Your evening concludes with a serene evening game drive, offering unparalleled opportunities to observe the elusive big cats. Upon returning to your lodge, indulge in a sumptuous buffet dinner, followed by a rejuvenating rest. Day 2. Full-day game drive in Masai Mara Reserve. In the early morning hours, prepare for another incredible adventure as you wake up just after 6:30 am. Set off for a full-day exploration of the renowned Masai Mara National Reserve. Spend the entire day engaging in wildlife spotting, searching for the big five, hippos and now crocodile. Afterward, take a picturesque picnic lunch beneath the shade of a croton tree, gazing upon the vast landscapes of the park. The highlight of your day lies in witnessing one of nature's most spectacular phenomena, the Great Migration. Millions of wild beasts and zebras traverse the plains annually, seeking water and grazing grounds. Follow closely behind them are the predators: lions, cheetahs, jackals, hyenas, and vultures. End your day with a satisfying dinner at your lodge and proceed to rest comfortably overnight. Day 3, departure from Masai Mara to Nairobi. For your final leg of the journey, start your day with a hearty breakfast. After checking out, set off for your return journey to Nairobi. Should you wish to add an additional experience, consider visiting a Maasai village at an extra cost. Upon arrival, you will be dropped off at the city center or nearest hotel within the city center. Your safari tour comes to a close here, marking the culmination of an unforgettable adventure. In pursuit of an immersive experience, participants embark on a guided walking tour through Nairobi's vibrant Kibera neighborhood. Led by knowledgeable guides, visitors explore key landmarks, engage with local residents, and gain profound insights into everyday life within Africa's largest informal settlement. Through this journey, attendees witness the ongoing efforts by both local and governmental entities to enhance the area's infrastructure, thereby offering a multifaceted understanding of Kibera's historical context and its evolving future. Key attractions during the tour include a sponsored children's orphanage homework center, showcasing the dedication of volunteers and staff alike, an artisanal bead factory where traditional bone artifacts transform into exquisite jewelry, highlighting innovative recycling practices in the region. Visits to typical Kibera homes, providing an intimate look into daily life among the community. Exploration of a biogas facility, illustrating sustainable waste management strategies employed in Kibera. Engagement with organizations such as HIV/AIDS support groups and railway depots. Participation in bustling markets like Toi, where locals exchange goods and services. Observation of the Kibera Drive, witnessing the bustling street scene alongside notable establishments and cultural venues. Participants have the flexibility to choose between morning and afternoon tours, each lasting approximately 4 to 6 hours, inclusive of a 2-hour walk. These tours accommodate up to 6 individuals, ensuring personal attention and interaction with the local community. Our team comprises experienced guides and security personnel who reside in Kibera, fostering trust and accessibility throughout the experience. Adhering to strict photo policies, images may be captured under specific conditions approved by our guides. Customization options are available, allowing for tailored experiences based on individual preferences or existing interests. Following an early pickup from your accommodation in Nairobi, proceed to the Nairobi National Park via a brief but exhilarating ride straight ahead. Engaging in an adrenaline-pumping game drive, one can immerse themselves in the diverse array of flora and fauna found within this natural sanctuary. Witnessing the majestic sight of various animal species grazing peacefully amidst lush landscapes is a quintessential experience during this excursion. Upon completion of the safari, transition seamlessly into exploring the Giraffe Center, where knowledgeable guides provide insights into giraffes and offer hands-on feeding opportunities under the watchful eyes of professional caretakers. This interactive aspect ensures visitors gain first-hand knowledge of these magnificent creatures. Concluding the day's activities, a visit to the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust Elephant and Rhino Orphanage proves invaluable. Here, young elephants are given special care as they grow, with dedicated keepers sharing fascinating tales behind their orphans' journeys. Observing the nurturing process through close-up interactions allows for a profound understanding of conservation efforts aimed at preserving endangered species. As the evening approaches, your group will be safely escorted back to your accommodation in Nairobi, marking the end of an unforgettable adventure. Upon departing your Nairobi hotel, proceed towards the Giraffe Center. Here, visitors can observe giraffes in a semi-wild environment, while learning about their behavior, characteristics, and conservation initiatives. Additionally, an interactive feeding experience awaits, allowing guests to provide food for these majestic creatures. Following the Giraffe Center, visit the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, where young elephants await being fed. Witness playful interactions between calves and their mothers in the water. Watch them groom each other and hear heartwarming tales of individual elephant lives. Once the younger ones are fed, move on to feed the older animals, some capable of self-feeding after reaching 2 or 3 years of age. Observe as these elephants use their trunks to efficiently drink large quantities of milk. Before concluding your journey, explore the Kazuri Beads factory. Admire the exquisite handmade jewelry crafted by skilled African artisans. Mount Longonot stands tall above the Great Rift Valley floor, beckoning adventurers eager to engage in strenuous yet rewarding hikes. Equip yourself with appropriate hiking gear and embark on this exhilarating journey through verdant landscape. Within its craggy peak lies a dense forest encircling the mountain's caldera. This natural wonder offers panoramic vistas of the surrounding landscape. Amongst the diverse fauna inhabiting these lush surroundings are buffalo, eland, lion, leopard, bushbuck, common zebra, giraffe, and Thompson's gazelle. Despite occasional encounters with wild animals, visitors can rest assured knowing that armed wildlife rangers are on duty to maintain safety. Upon reaching the foot of the mountain, venture forth towards Lake Naivasha. This crystal-clear body of water sustains a thriving ecosystem teeming with plant and animal life. Enjoy a leisurely lunch by the serene shores of Lake Naivasha, before embarking on a thrilling boat tour exploring the aquatic creatures beneath the surface. Afterward, continue your exploration along Crescent Island, an untouched paradise reminiscent of biblical Eden. Here, you'll likely witness grazing herds of herbivorous mammals among the verdant foliage. As twilight approaches, return to shore and await your driver, who will transport you back to Nairobi around 6:30 p.m. After departing your accommodation in Nairobi, proceed to the Nairobi National Park via a short ride. Embark on an exhilarating game drive which spans until approximately 11:00 a.m., where you'll observe a variety of major animal species roaming freely within the park. Marvel at the serene scene of these majestic creatures grazing amidst the urban skyline. Next, venture towards the Giraffe Center, a non-profit organization dedicated to educating the public about endangered animals and promoting environmental conservation efforts. Here, you can engage with knowledgeable guides who provide insights into giraffes and other wildlife. Additionally, opt for hands-on experiences by feeding giraffes through supervised interaction. Lastly, visit the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust Elephant and Rhino Orphanage, located in the western part of Nairobi National Park. This sanctuary presents a unique opportunity to witness baby elephants receiving specialized care in formula-fed bottles. Keepers offer informative lectures detailing each individual's name and background story regarding their adoption. This experience provides a profound connection with nature and fosters a sense of responsibility towards conservation initiative. A full-day safari tour witnessing the Big Five in Amboseli National Park. Embark on a thrilling journey to experience the majestic beauty of Amboseli National Park, renowned for its diverse wildlife. Our expert guides will lead you on a full-day tour to witness the iconic Big Five: elephants, lions, leopards, rhinos, and buffaloes in their natural habitats. As you embark on this unforgettable adventure, marvel at the breathtaking views of Africa's highest peak, Mount Kilimanjaro, rising majestically above the park. Upon arrival, relax in comfortable accommodation such as Otukai Lodge, which offers picturesque views and delicious cuisine. Enjoy a leisurely lunch, followed by a guided game drive along the lush savannas. Watch the sunset against the backdrop of Mount Kilimanjaro as you observe herds of elephants, lions lounging under the shade of acacia trees, and other wildlife in their native environments. As the day progresses, ascend to Observation Hill for panoramic vistas of the entire park. Here, you'll get a closer look at the rich biodiversity of Amboseli, including various bird species such as flamingos, pelicans, and numerous raptors. Delve into the fascinating world of Maasai culture, interacting with these friendly tribes if time permits. After enjoying a delightful lunch at Otukai Lodge, prepare for another exciting excursion. Shorten your drive to capture the last rays of light as elephants roam freely among the marshy areas. Return to the highway and proceed to Nairobi, where you'll arrive in the evening. This comprehensive tour promises a vivid tapestry of African landscapes, captivating wildlife encounters, and cultural insights, making every moment truly unforgettable. Begin your tour at your designated location within the city. Proceed to Karunguru Coffee Farm, approximately 1 hour away from Nairobi. Founded in 1928, this historic site marks the beginning of coffee cultivation in Kenya. The farm's rich history dates back to 1893, when coffee was introduced to the country, marking the start of an integral chapter in Kenyan agriculture. Upon arrival, embark on a brief guided tour of the farm. This introductory segment will provide insights into the historical context and the intricate processes involved in cultivating, harvesting, and producing coffee. You'll have the opportunity to explore various areas, each symbolizing distinct stages in the coffee-making journey, from the initial seedlings through to their subsequent processing and transformation into aromatic brews. Following the tour, relax in the serene surroundings of the farm's lush gardens. Indulge in a coffee tasting session where you can sample a variety of coffee grades, types, and varietals. Each offering is complemented by delectable pastries designed to satisfy your appetite, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. As your tour concludes, make your way to the farm shop to stock up on souvenirs such as freshly roasted beans, jams and honeys. Perfect for those who wish to carry a piece of Karanguru's rich agricultural heritage home with them. The Fairview Coffee Estate, situated in Limuru, Kiambu County, Kenya, stands out as the world's premier destination for exceptional coffee cultivation. This lush agricultural haven, boasting nearly 100 acres dedicated solely to coffee, benefits from an irrigation system supplied by the Riara River, which flows through streams originating from the Kenyan highlands. Founded in the early 20th century, the Fairview Farm has consistently delivered top-tier coffee quality due to its superior soil composition. To enhance local consumption and promote education about the coffee-making process, the estate offers regular guided tours conducted throughout the day. These tours commence at 10 a.m. and continue into the late afternoon, providing visitors with ample opportunity to explore the picturesque grounds and savor freshly brewed coffee. Embark upon an enriching tour of Nairobi, featuring visits to the Giraffe Center, the David Sheldrick Elephant Orphanage, and the Kazuri Beads Factory. Start your journey with a hotel transfer, ensuring seamless access to each destination. Begin your exploration at the Giraffe Center, where you will encounter majestic giraffes roaming freely within a semi-wild environment. Engage in educational activities designed to enhance your understanding of conservation efforts, culminating in the opportunity to interact with these gentle giants. Next, proceed to the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, a sanctuary dedicated to rehabilitating orphaned elephant calves. Traverse through this sanctuary, captivated by the joyful interactions between the young elephants and their caretakers. Witness the feeding process of the younger generation, observing their remarkable skill in grasping large milk bottles with their elongated trunks. To conclude your tour, venture into the Kazuri Beads Factory, where you can marvel at the exquisite craftsmanship of artisans creating both intricately woven beads and beautifully crafted ceramic. These masterpieces exemplify the rich cultural heritage of Kenya's women artisans. For an additional experience, consider including stops at the nearby Karen Blixen Museum, located near the Ngong Hills, showcasing life during colonial times, or a visit to the Bomas of Kenya, which offer glimpses into various traditional Kenyan tribal communities. Following your tour, enjoy convenient transportation back to your Nairobi hotel, ensuring a smooth transition to your next adventure.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.